Okay, page 374, example 1. Okay, we're going to use this graph right here. A point on a coordinate grid can be labeled with an order pair, a letter, or both. What does that mean? It means that if you want to let someone know what this point means, you can use a letter, or you can use the order pair, or you can use both things. Okay, so letter A, plot the point 5, 7 and label it J. From the origin, move right 5 units. Okay, so that's why this red arrow is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, and then up 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then they plotted the point, and then they labeled it with J, and they use the order pair. Okay, for letter B, we're going to get to do this ourselves. Plot the point 8, 0, and label it S. So from the origin, which is 0, how many times are we going to walk to the right? Who can tell me? How many units do we need to move to the right? Remember that the first number tells us how many units we need to move to the right. In this case, number 8. So we need to move 8 units to the right. And up, how many units? The second number tells us how many units we need to move up. Since the number is 0, we don't have to move anywhere else. We stay there. Okay, so we're going to move 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since we're not moving any units up, I'm going to place my point right here, and I'm going to label it S. Okay, so this point equals or represents S. Okay, and my order pair is 8, comma 0, because I did not move any, I didn't go up any units. Okay, and that's it. As simple as this. Okay, that's it for example number 1. Okay, now let's move on to example number 2. Find the distance between 2 points. You can find the distance between 2 points when the points are along the same horizontal or vertical line. If you look at point A and point B, they're in the same vertical line, not the same horizontal line, because A is on the horizontal line number 3 and B is horizontal line number 9. Okay, so first bullet, draw a line segment to connect point A and point B. Okay, so from point A, I'm going to draw a line and connect it to point B. Okay, count vertical units between the 2 points. So how many units are between point A and point B? Okay, vertical unit, that means that we need to go up and down. Okay, so from point A, I'm going to start by counting how many units are in between point A and point B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 units between point A and point B. That means that I need to walk a distance of 6 units going up to get from point A to point B. Okay, points A and B form a vertical line segment and have the same x coordinates. How can you use subtraction to find the distance between the points? Okay, you can subtract the y coordinates you can subtract the y coordinates to find the vertical distance. Okay, so that means that if we look at the y-axis, okay, which is the second number right here in our order pair, we can take 9 minus the y-axis or the coordinate of the y, the second number on the order pair for letter A, which is 3, okay, and find the difference. What's 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay, so the distance would be 6 units. All right, which is the number that we got by counting how many units are in between letter A and letter B. But another way is to take the y coordinates and find the difference. Okay, all right. Next, graph the points 3, 2, and 5, 2. Explain how you can use subtraction to find the horizontal distance between these 2 points. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is to graph the points. Okay, so 3, 2, and 5, 2. Remember that the first number is how we walk, okay, across the x-axis. How many units do we need to move to the right? So let's first plot this point, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And how many units going up? The second number tells us how many units we need to move up. 1, 2. Okay, so 0.32 would be here. Okay, so we can label it by using the order pairs, which is 3, 2. And then the same thing we're going to do with this order pair, 5, 2. So we're going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to the right, and then 1, 2 steps going up. Okay, I'm going to plot my point here, and I'm going to use the order pair to label it. Okay, 5, 2. Okay, how can I use subtraction to find what is the distance between these 2 points? Okay, since these 2 points are exactly at the same y-axis, that means that they both landed on 2. Okay, I can use, okay, the first numbers, which is the x-axis, to find the difference. Okay, so we can say I can subtract I can subtract 5 minus 2 to find what the distance is. Okay, I mean 5 minus 3, sorry. 5 minus 3 because the x is 3 and 5 for the second one. Okay, so 5 minus 3. Okay, which will be 2 units. Okay, so there's a difference of 2 units, or there's a distance of 2 units in between these 2 points. Okay, all right, I'm going to record the next page on another video, okay?